What's up guys, Sav Supreme here, welcome back to another video. So this video is going to be a little bit something on my own that me and my friends sort of put together. Something on my Discord server that not many of you have been around. Now, sorry, I've been just extremely busy with homework. You know how I have, like ADHD and all that, and I just get, I have a hard time paying attention in class, so I get behind and have to do it at home. So I've been really busy these past few weeks, but hey, summer's right around the corner. I think as soon as that happens, I'll have much more time to start recording. And I'm definitely going to do a story time about a Discord server I once joined that had a freaking Karen pandemic going on it. So if you want me to make a story time about that, leave me in the comments below. But right now, I'm gonna read all my friends' What Really Grinds My Gears in the What Really Grinds My Gears Discord section in the Peter Griffin voice. Now, I'm really good at doing voices, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. Now, I think my Peter Griffin voice may have been better, but I have a little cold right now, so it may not sound exactly as good as it typically would, but I'll do my best. It's typically really easy, but I do have a little cold, so here I go. Here's the first one that I've ever made. You know what really grinds my gears? The fact that you can't play as red on Wii Sports Resort. On single player mode, they should really add that feature. Red's my favorite color, and the fact that as long as you're in single player mode, you have to be blue. But I think playing as the red character should not be restricted to double player mode, and that's what really grinds my gears. You know what really grinds my gears? The airing company called 4Kids. They ruined so many dubs on anime and edited out so many things. They got what they deserved. Shut down. And they ruined Sonic X. If they hadn't done that, it would have been a new show that I would have watched on a daily basis. But no. It wasn't due to those unnecessary edits that 4Kids did. And yet no one has released it unedited in 2020. And that's what really grinds my gears. You know what really grinds my gears? People who say I'm refusing to do this or that when I'm really trying my best. It's ADHD. That limits the amount of info I can memorize and just overwhelms me. And we have people who think I'm refusing to do it right. And that's what really grinds my gears. You know what really grinds my gears? Nobody has used hacks to do something actually interesting with Wii Sports Resort. All people are doing is just breaking the game. For example, just making the heads too big for their bodies or changing the texture. Why don't these hacking YouTubers do something interesting for a change? Like, for example, make self-setting tournaments in a swordplay duel, or allow you to play as part of the Showdown Army. I mean, are these ideas perfect? No. But I don't see the hacking YouTubers coming up with anything. And that's what really grinds my gears. Here we go. Here's a good one. You know what really grinds my gears? The fact that Nintendo sued SML over swearing and dirty jokes. With their characters, when there's thousands of people doing Rule 34 art with them, so out of all the other people doing way worse with their characters, why sue the one person who's, for one, already struggling due to the demonetization, and two, is, again, just swearing and telling dirty jokes? None of that makes any sense. And that's what really grinds my gears. Guys, that's basically about it. And I'll if you want to see me do more voice impressions like these, please leave down below. Hey Lois, I'm home from the clam.
Peter, stop it, you're drunk.
Get away from me, you vile woman. One day victory will be mine.
Hey there, little man. You want to come inside for some free popsicles?
Hey there, sweetie. How old are you?
16,
18. You're first. Mom! I like where this is going. Giggity, giggity, giggity.
Yeah, if you want to see me doing more voice impressions, leave me in the comments below. Again, I wasn't as good as I normally am because I have a little cold, but if you want to see me read more what really grinds my gears on my Discord server, I can do that. Just leave me in the comments below what you want. And again, summer's right around the corner, so I'll have much more time to upload. And I'll be able to, if you want, I can make that story time about the Discord server with the Karen pandemic. So leave me in the comments below if that's what you want, and I'll be sure to put it. So anyways, that's enough for this video.